So, I was sitting here and I was wondering if there was a way to indicate which one of the 5 ancient ancestral lineage groups I belong to without ordering a DNA kit. And the answer is yes. And it's right at hand. Or wait, it's right at foot. That's right. There's 5 recognized foot shapes. We're going to learn about them right now. Let's go. The 5 foot shapes are Celtic, Germanic, Greek, Roman, and Egyptian. Let's go ahead and dive right in. We're going to start talking about the Greeks. The Greek foot shape features a second toe that extends past the big toe and is considered by the ancients to be highly desirable. 65% of men and 30% of women have this foot shape in the Greek population. Strangely, this foot shape is more common in Far Eastern Russia and in the Ainu people of Japan. The Greek foot shape is depicted in art and statues all over the world. Now let's take a look at the Roman foot, where the first 3 toes are the same length and then the other 2 are shorter. This was a very sturdy foot shape, and the Romans were great marchers. They actually developed the standard unit of measure, the foot. 1/4 of the world's population has the Roman foot shape. On the Egyptian foot, the big toe is the longest, with the other toes decreasing in length down to the little toe. 80% of the population of Japan have the Egyptian foot. The other 20% have the Greek foot. Looking at the Germanic foot, you can see there's a big toe and the other 4 are basically the same length. It's referred to as being rectangular. This foot shape kind of ties in with the Celtic foot shape, so let's get into that. The Celtic foot combines features of Germanic toes with the pronounced second digit of the Greek foot. It's really a blend that can't be traced back to any one origin. I think it's just absolutely fascinating that you can look at your foot shape and see your ancestry. Now, of course, science will not back this, but nature does not lie. So which one are you? Let me know in the comments. And as always, this is Creekstain. Thanks for watching.